Samsung is once again shaking up the mid-range smartphone market with its upcoming Galaxy M56, a device that has already started making waves even before its official launch. The support pages for the M56 have gone live in India and Bangladesh, signaling that its release is just around the corner. While Samsung has remained tight-lipped about the specifics, leaks and certifications have given us a fairly good idea of what to expect. And let's be honest, Samsung's mid-range strategy has been a bit predictable lately, rehashing the A series with minor tweaks under the M and F branding. But does the M56 have anything truly exciting to offer, or is it just another recycled device? From what we know, the Galaxy M56 will likely share most of its DNA with the recently launched Galaxy A56. That means we can expect the Exynos 1580 processor, 8GB or 12GB B RAM options, and storage variants of 128GB B and 256GB B. The triple camera setup on the rear is almost certain, but Samsung might compromise on certain premium features like build quality and IP ratings, just like it has done in the past with the M series to keep costs down. Battery life, however, remains a strong selling point, with the device expected to house either a 5000 mAh or even a 6000 mAh battery. But the M55 previously offered 45-watt fast charging and a 50-megapixel front camera, which were absent in the A55. Meanwhile, the Galaxy F56 is also making an appearance, but it seems to be destined for an even more budget-friendly segment. While both the M56 and F56 are expected to be closely related to the A56, the F series has historically been known for small yet significant compromises, possibly in the chipset, display quality, or lack of awesome intelligence software features. It's also worth noting that Samsung has used different materials for the F series in the past, like the faux leather finish on the F55. But in terms of raw performance and longevity, the M56 still seems to have the upper hand over the F56. Also, it will feature a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1900 nits peak brightness. It will be powered by the Exynos 1580 4nm processor, paired with up to 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. The phone will sport a triple rear camera setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and 5-megapixel macro, while the front will have a 12-megapixel wide camera. The M56, on the other hand, might cut corners but offer better battery life and potentially a different processor, perhaps even a Snapdragon chip if Samsung follows the pattern of previous M-series releases. The F56 will likely be the cheapest option, keeping only the core features while stripping away premium touches. As for the expected launch, the M56 could officially be announced within the next quarter. If we go by last year's pattern, it wouldn't be surprising to see it drop sometime between March and May 2024. The pricing will likely be positioned below the AI56, potentially starting around $360. The F56, expected to be cheaper, could land somewhere around $300, while the A56 might sit comfortably above them at around $420.